The NXT23, built to do it all. At 23 feet, it's the ultimate balance of size, style, and performance. Big enough for the whole crew, compact enough to handle with ease, and always ready to deliver a full day of behind-the-boat performance. With SurfStar, dialing in your wave is practically instant. Select the Rapid Surf preset and you're set. Or if you'd rather fine-tune, you can tweak ballast, speed, and surf device position in custom surf to create your perfect wave. And with NXT Faster Fill, the ballast is full in under 9 minutes. Less waiting, more riding. Power comes from the Ilmor 5.3-liter high-output engine, delivering 380 horsepower, proven torque, reliable pull, and all-day efficiency. It's the kind of muscle that makes every takeoff feel effortless, no matter how many sets you pull. Inside, it's designed to feel every bit as refined as it performs. Pleated upholstery zones elevate the look, cool feel vinyl keeps things chill, and wraparound seating plus an optional convertible flip seat make sure everyone has a spot to call their own. Hinged underseat storage makes stashing gear simple, while new RGB lighting with 11 controllable zones and upgraded courtesy lights let you set the vibe after the sun goes down. At the helm, the 7-inch touchscreen with SurfStar controls has you dialed. Add in standard wireless charging, keyless ignition, and an ergonomic captain's chair, and it's the kind of setup that makes you fight to stay in the driver's seat. Our all-new soundstage audio takes the experience up a notch, delivering powerful, directional sound to every seat. It's not just loud, it's immersive. Once you hear it, you'll realize what you've been missing. And the Z6 Tower, standard and silver with white, flint gray, or black options, brings equal parts function and presence. Fresh gel coat and upholstery options let you give the NXT23 your own signature look, and with the transom walkover, getting from the dock to your seat is easier than ever. The NXT23, space for everyone, power for everything, performance that doesn't miss. Looking for a deeper dive into all the NXT family has to offer? Head to our site to watch the full walkthrough video.